Welcome to CAD Concept. Today I will show you how to download and install YQArch plugin in AutoCAD, and we'll see what are the major settings before proceeding YQArch in AutoCAD. So first we will install in this PC, and later we will see what are the major settings before practicing YQArch in AutoCAD, and we will discuss what are the major benefits in YQArch. So as you can see here, I have already installed in this PC. So first I will uninstall from here. Okay. Now we will download. After that we will install again very smoothly. Okay. Come to Google page. Search directly YQArch.cn. Okay. And just visit first page. So you are getting different language. Okay. So come to here to change into English. Okay. As you can see here, you are getting YQArch 6.7.4 latest version. Just click here and directly come to here to download. Okay. Your YQArch downloaded, and visit folder. You are getting zip folder. Okay. Right click, extract here. Okay. So you are getting one separate folder. Open and let the system and come to here setup. Just click 2 times. Select your version, first tab, and open again. Select your version, second tab. Okay. Now we have installed YQArch plugin in AutoCAD. Simply open your AutoCAD. So what the changes came after installing YQArch plugin, we will see. If you see everything same as it is, but if you see this corner, you are getting something in different language, right? So after installing YQArch plugin, you have to set up 3 major settings. So let this first one, we will change language. Let this YQ language command. Dialog box will open. Let this English. Okay. Now we are getting our plugin in completely English language. Okay. And second, we will set up YQArch unit. Let this YQ unit. So you are getting 5 different units. So depending on your requirement, you can set up from here. Let this centimeter. Okay. And third, SD command to set up drawing scale. So you can set drawing scale 1:0, 1:1, 1:5 or 10, depending on your requirement. You can set up from here. Okay. So these are the settings which is mandatory after installing YQArch plugin. After that you can very smoothly proceed. So what are the benefit if you are new in this channel? If you don't know how to use YQArch plugin, must watch out this channel. I have uploaded great quality videos, tips and tricks. How to make auto section, auto elevation, auto floor plans. YQArch plugin allow you to speed up your work in AutoCAD. Must watch out this channel. I have uploaded great quality videos, tips and tricks. Must download YQArch 100 essential commands PDF book. I have explained 100 essential commands with facts and figures. If you have any doubt, leave your comments as soon as possible. I will reply your queries. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.